Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can transfer your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet into your Bitget account. You're going to learn how you can be able to withdraw your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet and then transfer it and deposit it into your Bitget account. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to actually find and copy your MemeFi token deposit address on your Bitget account. You have to copy your MemeFi deposit address from your Bitget account, and for you to do that, you have to tap on where you can see assets. So let me tap on assets right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see add funds. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. You can see it right there. We want to deposit our MemeFi token right here. That's why we want to copy our MemeFi deposit address. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to look for the MemeFi token right here. You have to scroll through this list of cryptocurrencies to find MemeFi. But in case you're finding it hard to see it, you can use the search icon at the top. So let me tap on the search icon. Then after that, what you have to do now is to type in MemeFi. So let me type it in, MEMEFI. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. You can see MemeFi, you can see the MemeFi logo. So what you have to do now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your MemeFi deposit address on your Bitget account. And before you do that, you can see the network chosen is you. Make sure the network is you before you go ahead to copy it. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now let me show you how you can copy the address. You can see that encircled area right there. That's your MemeFi deposit address. So now for you to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see copied. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can copy your MemeFi deposit address on Bitget. So now the next step you have to take now is to go over to your OKX wallet. You have to go over to your OKX wallet. So guys, let me go over to my OKX wallet right away. We have to withdraw our MemeFi token from our OKX wallet and deposit it into our Bitget account. So let me open my OKX wallet real quick. So guys, now you can see my OKX app is opening. So guys, now you can see my OKX app has opened up. So the next step you have to take now is to make sure you tap on wallet. You can see that wallet is selected at the top. You can see we have two options there, exchange and wallet. The one you have to go for is for wallet. So guys, now the next step now is to scroll upwards. So guys, actually you can use two methods to actually withdraw your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet and deposit it into your Bitget account. First method is to tap on where you can see send. And so it is written send. So let me tap on send. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on MemeFi token. You can see MemeFi token right there. So let me tap on it. You have to select it. So let me select it. So guys, now you can see this is the point it has brought us to. This is where you have to paste your MemeFi token deposit address that you copied from your Bitget account. So guys, what I'll do now is to go ahead now to show you guys the second method. The second method is going to bring us back to this place. So guys, let me go back now. Let me go back again. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the home page of my OKX wallet. So what you have to do now for the second method is to scroll upwards. So let me scroll upwards. Then what you have to do is to make sure you tap on crypto. You can see that crypto is selected. Then under this crypto section, what you have to do now is to look for MemeFi. You have to scroll through this list of cryptocurrencies right here to look for MemeFi. And as you can see here, MemeFi there is at the top. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. But guys, in case you can't find the MemeFi token right here, you don't need to bother yourself at all, because I've actually made a dedicated video on how you can find your MemeFi token here in your OKX wallet. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section. I'm going to be dropping the video link that will teach you how you can actually find your MemeFi token here in your OKX wallet. What you have to do is to tap on the link. You'll be able to watch and learn how you can find your MemeFi token. If you can't find it here, that means you've not added it. I don't want to go through that process. I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, now once you find your MemeFi token right here, what you have to do now is to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see the amount of MemeFi token that I have in my OKX wallet. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see send. can see right there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on send. We are tapping on send because we want to send our MemeFi token from our OKX wallet into our Bitget account. So guys, now you can see it has brought us back to that same place where you have to paste your MemeFi token deposit address that you copied from your Bitget account. You can see it here, it has brought us back to that same place that the first method brought us to. So guys, what I'll do now is to go ahead now to paste it. Remember, I showed you guys how you can copy your MemeFi deposit address from your Bitget account. So guys, now for me to paste it, what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see paste. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I've pasted the MemeFi deposit address I copied from my Bitget account. You can see it right there. So the next step now is to tap on where you can see confirm. You can see it down there. So let me tap on confirm. So guys, now this is the point where you have to impute the amount of MemeFi token that you want to transfer from your OKX wallet into your Bitget account. So you can type it in. You can see I'm typing. You can type it in. And also, in case you want to impute all the amounts of MemeFi token that you have in your OKX wallet, you can tap on where you can see max. Once you tap on max, all the MemeFi token that you have in your OKX wallet will reflect here. It will appear there. So let me tap on max right away. So guys, now you can see the maximum amount of MemeFi token that I have in my OKX wallet is now appearing there. You can see it right there, and you can see the worth of the MemeFi token. It is worth 3.39 USD. That means 3.39 US dollars. So guys, now after you're done imputing the amount of MemeFi token that you want to transfer to your Bitget account, the next step you have to take now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see this is the full details of the transaction. You can see what's written there. SU network fee. That means you need SU in your OKX wallet in order to transfer your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet into your Bitget account. If you don't have SU in your OKX wallet, you'll never be able to do this transaction. So guys, in case you don't have SU in your OKX wallet and you're wondering how you can do it, I've already made a dedicated video on that, on how you can actually buy SU. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. You're going to see a video link there. Tap on the link, they'll be able to watch and learn how you can buy SU and get it into your OKX wallet. So guys, now you can see it right there. This is the details. So after you're done confirming all of these details, what you have to do now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. They're asking me to verify my fingerprint. So what I'll do now is to place my fingerprint at my fingerprint sensor behind my phone. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. It has captured my fingerprint. Wow guys, you can see transaction submitted. You can see it at the top. Wow, successful. You can see it there at the top. So guys, now by doing this, now you've been able now to transfer your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet into your Bitget account. So guys, now you can see the balance of my MemeFi token. It is now 0 because I actually transferred all my MemeFi token from my OKX wallet into my Bitget account. And also, if you see the history, you can see the transaction history. You can see it right there. I sent 401 MemeFi. This to show that the transaction was successful. So let me tap on it now to show you guys the full details of the transaction. So guys, now you can see here's the full details of the transaction. I can see at the top it is written completed. So guys, now what you have to do now is to go over to your Bitget account to confirm if actually you've received your MemeFi token. So let me go over to my Bitget account now to confirm that. Let me tap on my Bitget account to open it. So guys, now you can see my Bitget account has opened up. Already I can see that my Bitget account balance has increased. So guys, now for you to confirm that if actually your MemeFi token has dropped into your Bitget account, what you have to do now is to tap on assets. So let me tap on assets right away. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on spots. So let me tap on spots. So guys, now you can see under my spots account, I can now find my MemeFi token. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it, and you can see this exact amount of MemeFi token that I sent here. You can see it there, 401 MemeFi token. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. And also guys, you can check your transaction history to be sure that this actually entered, and you can do that by tapping on the transaction history icon at the top right corner. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the transaction history is loading. So guys, now you can see it there at the top. You can see the deposit right there. You can see the coin deposited is MemeFi. You can see the amount of MemeFi token 401. You can see the fee 0.0, and also you can see the date and the time. So guys, now this side can be able to confirm it. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to deposit or transfer your MemeFi token from your OKX wallet into your Bitget account, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.